Hi guys, Mrs. Grimes here to do a quick announcements video. Pretty much the same things as last week, just our schedule's a little bit different the next couple weeks. We do have our live TGA, teacher graded assignment, next Wednesday. Kindergarten is at 10 a.m., first grade is at 10:30 a.m. So those are required. That's our one work sample for this month. We will put a grade in the grade book for you for just attending and completing that assignment. Super quick session. March 7th and 8th, there's no live sessions. That's next week as well, Thursday and Friday of next week. There's no live sessions, but you are doing your lessons in the OLS. We will have, wait a second. No. There's no OLS lessons next Thursday and Friday. So that is a great time to get caught up. We will be having conferences talking about individual learning plans and progress and things like that. Parent-teacher conferences, really, what they are. And you'll have to wait for that sign up. I believe Mrs. Burdick has already sent hers out, so be looking for that. And then I will get on mine soon and get you signed up for a specific day and time for that, for us to meet online. This Thursday, you guys have OLS lessons, so you have school, but I will not be online with you guys. I'll have professional development, and Mrs. Burdick will have professional development, and if you're with Mrs. Pratt, she'll have professional development. So, books have been sent out. I have heard that those of you that did order last month have received it, so yay. The 28th is this Thursday. So if you'd like to order books from the Scholastic, there's always dollar books. There's always $3 books. I will get them sent to me after you purchase them online, and then I will mail them out to you. So if you'd like to order, you can click here, and then their class code is there. Okay, so fourth quarter pacing charts have been a little sketchy. There's been some errors on the first grade. If you're ever worried about that, usually most people can figure it out of what's happened with that, and if Mrs. Grimes is messed up on it or not. So there is in first grade, it looks like I completely maybe didn't have enough, or I did something with the end of math. Is this it? Oh, this is kindergarten. Never mind. But on first grade, at the end, the last week of school, there's like no math lessons. All the math lessons are on the pacing chart, so don't worry about missing any. I believe that I have them all on there. I didn't get them fit correctly. So that last week there shouldn't be any math lessons. At the end of school, I'll be looking, Mrs. Burdick, I'll show her how to look and make sure that students are where they need to be to finish that curriculum and go on to the next grade level. So I'll keep an eye, but when I looked at it, it looks like it will be fine. You will be doing all the lessons. So don't forget to just watch those pacing charts and make sure that you're on track. If you're not, like I said, the weekends, the days that we do not have school, there's nothing on your pacing chart. Spring break is coming up. Those are great days to do extra lessons to get caught up. School calendar is here. Don't forget about that. We've talked about it a lot. I think you guys have it down pat, but, so this coming Thursday, I told you about that, teachers won't be, doing live sessions. And then the following, the 7th and the 8th, we've talked about, here's our spring break. So don't forget about that. And then before you know it, we will have one more Friday off here. And then before you know it, school is going to be over. So, like I said, keep up on it. It goes by really fast. All right. I think we have done all of that. I do have our 2 books that I wanted to do a drawing for, and I'll mail those out to the winners. So Miss Burdick has I looked up who was in live sessions for last week, and I have it in the first grade jar. So I'll pull out our first grade. And Liliana, you'll be getting one of these books. I think they're about the same, so I'll just pick one. And then that was first grade, kindergarten. Shake it up! Kindergarten. I'll send this book to Mr. Judson. Mr. Judson, I will send you a book out. And then I don't have any other books that I can give out, but I do have, let's see, how about next week, probably our last announcements. Why don't I do this? I have a couple erasers. So I have a couple erasers that I'll do a little drawing for those next week, okay? I think that's it. If you guys have questions, if I've forgotten anything, please let us know, and we will get those answered for you. Have a great rest of the week, guys. When you go back in and complete your survey, why don't you go ahead and put the word Spider-Man, because it's right here. Put the word Spider-Man for our week. Have a good day, guys. Good evening. Good rest of the week. Bye-bye.